Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Zerolend airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Zerolend can be one of the biggest airdrops, and if we go to their website apps.zerolend.xyz, as you can see the zero token pre-mining is already live now. So it's currently in the bootstrap mode and users who deposit assets can pre-mine zero tokens which can be redeemed on the token launch. So I will need to go ahead and check when would be the token launch over here. So you can also read about it by clicking on this link, and this Zerolend is basically on the ZkSync market. So ZkSync is doing extremely good and we are expecting a huge airdrop for ZkSync era as well. So I will make a separate video as to how you can be eligible for ZkSync era, because in that you will need to do a lot of things and you will need to have an initial capital in order to get the ZkSync era. Now for being eligible for Zerolend airdrop, you need to stake Pyth tokens. So first you will need to buy Pyth tokens. So you can use a centralized exchange like Bitget to buy Pyth tokens. Now if you don't have an account on Bitget, you can use my referral link in the description where you can receive 1000 USDT newcomers gift package. Now once you set up an account on Bitget, all you have to do is you will need to purchase USDT and swap your USDT with Pyth network tokens. Now the next step is to have a Solana wallet. So it can be a Soulflare wallet or maybe a Phantom wallet. Now once you set up your wallet, all you have to do is you will need to transfer Pyth network tokens from this centralized exchange, maybe Bitget if you are using it, or maybe some other centralized exchange or other wallet, to your Solana wallet. Now once you have Pyth network tokens in your Solana wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to this website staking.pyth.network, and then you will need to go ahead and stake your Pyth tokens over here. So as you can see, newly staked tokens become eligible to vote in the governance at the beginning of next epoch. So epoch starts every Thursday at 0 UTC and lasts for 7 days. So every Thursday you can also unstake your tokens if you want it, but I would suggest you stake Pyth because there are a lot of airdrops that are coming on the Pyth network. Now once you have staked your Pyth network, all you have to do is you will need to go to this website airdrop.zerolend.eth.limo. I will leave a link in the description for it, and I will also leave my sign up link for this Zerolend airdrop where you can get 20% additional bonus. So as you can see, if I refer you, then you will receive 20% additional bonus, and also I will receive this 20% additional bonus if you want to use my link. It really helps. So all you have to do is once you have everything set up, you have to join the Discord server which will give you 100 points. Say good morning in Discord which will give 10 points per day. Supply collateral to the lending market, so you can go ahead and supply liquidity. So there are a lot of tasks that are available over here. So as you can see, I have claimed like 1002 points with my Pyth staked over here. I also forgot to mention one more thing over here, that you will need to input your Ethereum address in the profile section. So I have already gone ahead and put my Ethereum address, as you can see. So you can keep claiming these points, and as soon as you get to a certain point and once the airdrop is announced, then you will be eligible for this very good airdrop. So I would always suggest is like go ahead, set up an account on Bitget using the referral link, buy Pyth tokens as much as you can and start staking Pyth, because this would be most probably similar to Celestia. So this is all about how you can be eligible for the Zerolend airdrop, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.